Thousands of Israelis rallied outside Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's residence in Jerusalem on Saturday as anger mounted over corruption allegations and his handling of the coronavirus crisis. "Your time is up," read the giant letters projected onto a building at the protest site as demonstrators waved Israeli flags and called on Netanyahu to resign over what they say is his failure to protect jobs and businesses affected by the pandemic. The protest movement has intensified in recent weeks, with critics accusing Netanyahu of being distracted by a corruption case against him. Netanyahu denies any wrongdoing. Netanyahu, who was sworn in for the fifth term in May after a closely fought election, has accused the protesters of trampling democracy and the Israeli media of encouraging dissent. Netanyahu's right-wing Likud party on Saturday called the protest left-wing riots and accused Israel's popular channel 12 News of doing everything it can to encourage the far-left demonstrations of the Netanyahu's opponents. Netanyahu is fighting to get Israel's economy back to normal and to transfer funds and grants to Israeli citizens, Likud said in a statement posted to Netanyahu's Twitter page. Protests have stretched beyond Netanyahu's official residence in Jerusalem, with many Israelis gathering on bridges and highway junctions across the country. In central Jerusalem on Saturday evening, protesters held Israeli flags, blew horns, and chanted slogans against Netanyahu. Though Netanyahu has tried to downplay the protest, the gatherings only appear to be getting stronger. They are the largest since protests erupted in 2011 against the country's high cost of living. After moving quickly to contain the coronavirus earlier this year, critics believe Israel reopened its economy too quickly. The country is now facing a surge in infections. Confirmed cases have surpassed 82,000, including 592 deaths, while unemployment has jumped to more than 20%. Self-employed workers whose businesses have been hurt amid the economic fallout of the pandemic also joined the protest on Saturday.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.